outages. The gusty winds knocked over the last 24 hours, knocked down branches and trees, causing widespread damage.
Yeah, one area that was particularly hit hard, Anne Arundel County. Community reporter Caroline Forback is on your corner in Linthicum Heights. She joins us now with more on the power restoration effort. Caroline.
Well, Kelsey, Anne Arundel County alone reported about 21,000 outages last night. And since yesterday afternoon, BGE crews have been working round the clock to restore power and turn the lights back on. More than 24,000 customers were still without power as of 2 p.m. Monday, according to BGE's outage map. About 4,000 of those customers were in Anne Arundel County.
The wind probably picked up around 2 or 3 in the afternoon, maybe a little earlier. And it was, I guess, about 5:30 or so that our power went out.
Alan Shook is one of about 50 neighbors in his Linthicum Heights community who spent a long, cold night without power after wind gusts toppled trees and brought down power lines on Camp Mead Road.
All the windows, the tree branches were hitting the windows, and then the lights were flickering on and off. And then next thing you know, I look outside, come over here, and all the trees fell down. They're all on the road and no one can get anywhere.
Strong winds Sunday night brought widespread damage across the area. In Baltimore City, a tree fell onto a parked car and blocked traffic on Wabash Avenue.
I'm glad no one was in that car.
And a tree also toppled down and smashed into a house along Rockwood Avenue. The wind gusts even took out substations.
Typically with a normal storm, you only see 100 to 200 pieces of damage. In this storm, we're seeing over 2,000.
BGE crews cleared most of the debris by late Monday morning. Shook says his power came back on Monday afternoon.
BGE has been working on it, I guess, since then, and they finally got it up about an hour to 2 hours ago.
And BGE says they expect to restore service to 80% of customers by 11 o'clock tonight. Reporting live here on your corner in Linthicum Heights, Caroline Forback for WJZ.
Caroline, thank you. With several more weeks of winter still to go, stay with WJZ's First Alert Weather Team with the CBS News app. You can scan the QR code on your screen or go to the App Store. That way you'll get instant weather and news updates sent directly to your phone.
Well, new